It is with great pride that I introduce our upcoming Adani Logistic Park in Kalamassery, spanning over 70 acres, covering 1.3 million square feet with a target investment of over 600 crores. This facility is designed to be a landmark in Kerala's logistics landscape. This is a logistic hub built for the world, connecting Kalamassery to the global markets and making Kerala an even more attractive trade destination. Inspired by the visionary leadership of our chairman, Shri Gautam Adani, we are driven by a purpose to become a world-class leader in businesses that enrich lives and contribute meaningfully to our nation's growth. We do this by building transformative infrastructure, creating sustainable value that is ensured across the generations to come. The park is expected to generate over 1,500 jobs, contributing to local employment, skill upgradation, and economic growth in the region. We are also creating opportunities for local, small and medium enterprises to thrive as part of our supply chain ecosystem. At Adani Logistic Park, our focus is clear: talent, technology, and the warehousing, and we call it TTW. In today's fast-paced world, we have grown accustomed to the instant demand, instant delivery reality. That kind of speed and precision isn't a magic. It is a result of talent, technology, and the strategically placed warehouses. And this is one of the warehouse which is very strategically placed. Kochi is becoming a hub for this transformation. With companies like Flipkart, who have already joined us, we will be seeing the TTW very soon, where the innovation will meet the execution. The logistic park is not just about storage, it's about smart storage. We as Adani Group, in Adani Ports and Logistics, we are moving away from traditional box type storage to technology-driven storage ecosystem, and this is powered by a very mobile, talented manpower. This shift brings efficiency, responsiveness, and scalability to the businesses in the region. As we break ground today, we are laying the foundation for a future where logistics will be a competitive strategic advantage to every business in local as well as the global footprint. The Kalamassery Logistic Parks strengthens Adani Ports and Logistics growing network, now 21 across India, with a vision to expand to 30 parks and scale our footprint from 3.1 million square feet to 20 million square feet in the near future. We remain committed building world-class infrastructure that drives sustainability, connectivity, and contribute to the nation's progress. As Adani Ports and Logistics first park in Kochi, it will offer a seamless end-to-end experience from gate entry to invoicing, ensuring zero-touch operations from enhanced customer experience. From Kalamassery to the nation, Adani Ports and Logistics is a truly integrated transport utility company which is shaping the future of logistics and powering India's industrial rise and redefining the world connects with the Kerala.